This quick video is about how to upload a post on Instagram with two different accounts. Okay, first open your Instagram app. Okay, initially what you have to do means just click here and tab here and add your Instagram account like this. To add Instagram account, just tap this add account and tap login to your existing account. Then add here, then it will be added like me. After this you can do the process. Then click this plus icon and switch this to post. Then select a post you want to upload. For example, I just choose this and tap next. Next. Yeah. Now under post to other Instagram accounts, you will see your logged in Instagram accounts. Now just turn on that account. That's it. After you turn on this toggle button, then tap next. That's it. Now here you can see, let I switch the account. Yeah, here also you can see that 19 seconds ago. This is how you can upload an Instagram post with two different accounts.